what's up guys? Andito na naman tayo. Good morning at isang malamig na umaga. So dito na ako mag-i-intro habang hinihintay ko si Sulaiman kasi may kunti kaming gagawin dito. Dito yung ating magiging topic ngayong araw na to. Kaliwali na muna itong mga trabaho rito. Kaliwali, pahinga. So magtuturking lang naman kami rito kasi may tumagas lang ng konti yung manhole. Hindi siguro na balanse yung time, yung paghihigpit. So kahapon mga guys ay kung maalala ninyo yung aking title ng video nung nakaraan ay about sa bonus. Ito na nga. So kahapon ay di masasaya yung mga tao habang nagtatrabaho rito. Biglang dumating, biglang may message na dumating sa mga bawat account. Di ibig sabihin nun, pumasok na yung sahod, kasabay na yung bonus. So ngayong araw na to, ang ating magiging content ay titingnan ko yung mag-i-interview tayo ng mga kasamahan ko rito, yung mga nakatanggap ng bonus. Kasama na ako ron. Titingnan natin kung ano magiging reaksyon nila. So yan ang ating magiging yung ating magiging topic sa araw na to dito sa aking video ika nga for today's. So titingnan natin kung sino yung masaya, kung sino yung malungkot, kung sino yung kung sa kwan ay grateful, yung masaya, yung magang parang tuloy ang bangi. Ika nga sa Batangas ay tuloy ang bangi kahit basa ang bunot. Ika nga nun kung ano yung matanggap mo ay di pasalamat na lang sa Diyos. Kasi mas magaling kaysa wala. Ika nga. Kaya ang mangyayari dapat gandahan ng performance sa buong taon para makatanggap ng maganda-gandang bonus. So ayun muna, hanggang dito lang muna tayo ang ating introduction. Ika nga. At hinihintay ko si Sulaiman. Pinapakuha ko nung torque wrench at saka spanner. So yun lang guys. At maya maya mag-umpisa tayo mag-interview. Isa-isahin natin sila. Okay? See you. Now Sulaiman is here. Me and Sulaiman partner. So I will ask to him. And I want to see his reaction and about the Cape bonus bro. Good. Barawar bonus? Yes. Good. Happy? Yes. Farhan? I was it. So Sulaiman is happy. Alhamdulillah. Sahib bro? Good. Mohan, good morning. How are you?
Morning.
So how's the tank level bro? I opened
Yeah, 7.8 now.
Okay,
Right?
7. So bro,
Yes.
quick interview.
Quick interview. How about?
I want to see your reaction bro. See? I
Yeah.
have, yeah. So
Ask the topic first.
okay, so how's your bonus yesterday?
Very sad, bro.
What?
Not happy.
Why very sad?
Less than
Why very sad bro?
what is I'm expecting. It is very less, bro.
Okay, no issue bro.
I hope next year
Okay,
make me happy.
do your best again. Do your good performance and then inshallah.
Expecting next
But
year.
better than nothing.
Okay.
Sahih?
Yeah,
Good?
good.
Kalas. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, see you. Thank you.
Okay. Bro,
Bro.
are you happy bro? For the bonus? Like this? Okay. Barawar. Alhamdulillah bro. Alhamdulillah bro. Alhamdulillah. Barawar. Alhamdulillah. For Abdullah. Alhamdulillah bro. Hey. Okay. Chalo. Zen. Bonus bro. Only I want to see your reaction bro. So
I'm on YouTube.
how's our bonus yesterday?
Our
Bonus. Barawar.
Marah.
Aywa.
Wonderful.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Aywa. Zain. So Ali is happy. Number one. Good. Question bro. Please. How's your bonus bro?
Very bad.
Okay, very bad bro. Alhamdulillah bro.
Alhamdulillah.
Good.
Where is your bonus?
Are you happy?
Where is your
Are you happy?
Where is
My bonus kalas in Philippines now is flying there. It's fly. You know already. With whom? Okay bro. I know you're happy. You're kadam. No bonus.
Yes.
Mapi mo skier.
Skiing.
Inshallah this year.
Inshallah.
Good performance, maaaring barabar bonus. Okay? Pagka. Abu what?
Job.
This, yeah, this old bro. Mondar Al Jabri, how are you? Welcome back. And you, welcome back. Welcome back, team. Bro,
Bro.
quick question. How's your bonus? What is your reaction? Tell me. Good. It means it means good, huh? Alas, and okay, finish. Your turn, finish. And how about you, bro?
There is no
Same?
feeling. Yeah.
No feelings?
No feelings.
Same feelings.
Yes.
What?
about them?
This guy kadap.
Kadawa?
I don't know. He
What
cover
about
in his face and he's laughing.
And this?
Same this guy.
Say what?
Same this guy. This newlywed, bro. So new bonus, new salary, new increment plus Habibi. Good. Okay, class. One interview. Hi, Ali. How are you, Hassan? Welcome back to Paradise. I have one quick question for you first. Ali.
Tomorrow.
No, today only.
Oh, today I'm very tired, wallah.
Bonus. How's your bonus? Good or not?
Alhamdulillah.
Aywa. You are happy?
Yes, very happy.
Kalas. And how about you, bro?
Good, alhamdulillah.
Happy?
Happy.
Kalas. Everyone is happy. Bye. Oh, Ya Rabbi. Kaya halay, bro. Bro. One question. Okay? How is your bonus? Barabar. Okay, barabar. Aywa. Happy?
Alhamdulillah.
Aywa. Alhamdulillah. It means happy. Good?
لازم
برافو.
ضروري كم حصل؟
Then.
1000.
Aywa. Then. Cool, happy. Bro. Today we got the bonus in salary, huh? So, what can you say, bro? Tell me, bro.
Good.
Aywa. Good. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Good. Okay. This is my friend Saleh. See you after
2 weeks inshallah.
2 weeks. So you're happy, huh? For your bonus, huh?
Of course, yes.
Okay. Kalas. Bye. See you. At so yun mga guys, at nandito na tayo sa ating kwarto. Yan, at tayo ay kararating lang, galing na sa trabaho. At yun, wala masyadong naging ganap at nagkapag-interview na po tayo ng ating mga kasamahan. So, hindi po lahat ay ating na-interview at natanong natin at nakita natin ang reaction nila tungkol sa mga bawat bonus. So, overall naman na reaction nila, sila ay masaya. So, lahat naman sila ay happy. Ang masasabi ko lang ay di ngayong taon na to ay di gandahan uli nila ang performance nila para kung mababa yung natanggap nila ngayong taon na to ay di para tumaas naman sa susunod na taon. So, yun lang. At ang masasabi ko lang ay kung ano man yung matanggap natin, malaki man yan o maliit, magpasalamat tayo at ika nga ay mas magaling kaysa wala. So at least mayroon tayong natanggap kaysa wala, ika nga. So maliit, malaki o sobrang laki, pasalamat tayo sa Pumay Kapal kasi siya lang naman ang nakakaalam lahat po niya. So yan lang guys ang ating for today's na raw vlog lang tayo. Raw vlog to sa araw-araw. At siguro sa susunod na araw ay sisimulan uli namin yung padalawang trade. Panibagong grupo naman yung makakasama ko niyan. So, hanggang dito na lang mga guys. Sana kayo nakarating dito sa ating simpleng video. Okay? See you sa susunod na vlog. Bye-bye. God bless.